Do you wanna watch a movie tonight? Do you wanna, don't say do you wanna, say do you wanna watch a movie tonight? Do you wanna watch a movie tonight? Like when 21 days free spoken English course, speaking English class 2. So if you do and continue all the videos like 21 days, then you will able to speak in English, obviously. So, and within 21 days, I actually made and planned a strategy that will help you to speak in English and what sentence structures do you need to speak fluently, and I will explore all the structures. So let's begin. And this is Speak English Day 2 or Class 2. So if you actually missed the last video, then obviously go the comment button and go press on the comment button and see the first one that was all about gotta. Okay, and in this video, I'm gonna tell and unlock another phrase that is want to. So want to means করতে চাই বা করতে চায়. Okay, so the structure is very easy. That is want to plus be1. And from today, don't say want to, say wanna. Okay, natives never ever say want to. They say wanna. But obviously, bear in your mind that wanna, gonna, gotta, these all are informal terms. Obviously, use the phrases to your friends, okay, or someone whom you actually know. So wanna, want to. Let's make some example. Let's see some examples. So speaking, আমি ইংরেজি শিখতে চাই. I wanna learn English. আমি ইংরেজি শিখতে চাই. I wanna learn English. I wanna learn English. So like this, you have to speak it loud out. Okay, you have to speak loud out. Otherwise, you won't get it. Okay, and obviously, you have to remove the mumbling from your mouth. And whenever you actually speak it and repeat it again and again, you will able to destroy your mumbling. Okay, get it? Okay, so next one. তারা একটি ব্যবসা শুরু করতে চায়. They wanna start a business. Okay, like they wanna start a business. Okay, so they wanna start a business. তুমি কি আজ রাতে একটি সিনেমা দেখতে চাও? See, তুমি কি আজ রাতে একটি সিনেমা দেখতে চাও? Very important. So, do you wanna watch a movie tonight? Like, do you wanna watch a movie tonight? Do you wanna, don't say do you wanna, say do you wanna watch a movie tonight? Do you wanna watch a movie tonight? Like when you see like the question mark at the end, so you have to raise your voice like tonight. Okay, so do you wanna watch a movie tonight? Okay, and if I say like what's your name? See, when you actually ask something or make a question and at the end of the sentence we actually raise our voice. Okay, so this is a great rule to escalate to develop your pronunciation. Rafiz ইংরেজি phonetics শিখতে চায়. So Rafiz wanna learn English phonetics. Rafiz wanna learn English phonetics. See, learn English phonetics. So, a soft reminder যে তুমি যদি ভালোভাবে ইংরেজি শিখতে চাও, অবভিয়াসলি তোমাকে কিছু নিয়ম খুবই ভালো করে পড়তে হবে। এবং আমি আমার এই সিরিজের মধ্যে লাইক 21 days চ্যালেঞ্জ, এখানে 21 মানে 21টা ভিডিও আসবে ধারাবাহিকভাবে। অলরেডি একটা ভিডিও আপলোড করা হয়ে গেছে গড়া নিয়ে। সো এই ভিডিওগুলো যদি তুমি দেখতে থাকো তাহলে এবং যদি প্র্যাকটিস করতে থাকো যেভাবে আমি করতেছি, তো তাহলে অবভিয়াসলি ইউ উইল বি ফ্লুয়েন্ট আফটার 21 days. So don't you want to hit there? Don't you want to crack your goal? If you want to crack your goal, then obviously dive into the video and pause the video, practice. And if you get this one, please go down the comment box and leave a comment using the phrase, using the term wanna. Okay, next. চার্লি নদীতে মাছ ধরতে চায়। চার্লি নদীতে মাছ ধরতে চায়। So Charlie wanna catch fishes in the river. Charlie wanna catch fishes in the river. Get it? So this is a quiz for you. তুমি যদি এটা বুঝে থাকো, এই টার্মটা যদি বুঝে থাকো, অবভিয়াসলি এইটা করো। হ্যাঁ, সে এখন পড়তে চায় না, সে এখন পড়তে চায় না। যদি এটা পারো অবভিয়াসলি বুঝে নিবা যে তুমি এটা বুঝতে পারছো এবং তুমি মানে খুবই নিকটে স্পিক ইংলিশ শেখার বা ফ্লুয়েন্ট হওয়ার। ওকে, সো see, consistency brings success and boom. Follow me for more video. And if you watch this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Learn English with Rakib. And if you are enjoying the video on Facebook, obviously press the follow button and don't forget to leave a comment that should I continue the 21 days challenge or not. So till now, keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. Make mistakes and then again do the same mistake, and one day you will be able to improve and develop your fluency. So thank you very much.